Don't download Insightly Enterprise CRM Suite app before watching this. Before you download Insightly Enterprise, here's what most businesses get wrong. It's more than a contact database. At the enterprise level, Insightly provides advanced CRM automation, project management, and pipeline reporting, but without strategy, adoption can fail. Step 1. Define your CRM objectives. Decide if the focus is on sales tracking, project management, or customer engagement. Most people get this wrong by implementing everything at once, causing confusion and low adoption. Step 2. Set up workflows. Automate lead routing, task assignments, and follow-ups. The surprising truth is, incorrect automation can slow processes and frustrate teams. Step 3. Integrate with marketing, support, and analytics tools. Without integration, data remains siloed and insights are incomplete. Step 4. Track metrics. Monitor sales pipeline, project progress, and team performance. Teams that ignore metrics fail to optimize operations effectively. The upside: proper Insightly Enterprise use can improve pipeline efficiency by 20%, enhance collaboration, and provide a unified view of customer data. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization defines clear goals, configures workflows correctly, integrates systems, and actively monitors performance. For smaller teams, a standard Insightly plan may suffice. Subscribe for actionable tips on maximizing enterprise CRM success.